Hello everyone, welcome to Data Within Reach and welcome back to another Rapid R 3-minute tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of unsupervised learning with k-means clustering. K-means is a popular clustering algorithm used to partition data into distinct non-overlapping groups. And that can help you uncover hidden patterns or rethink the categories that you use for things. You might think you know movie genres, but have you tried doing k-means on them? Now we've only got 3 minutes, so hey, let's get started. To get started, we're going to need a data set. So let's use that iris data set that we've used before. To use the iris data set, we'll use the data command along with iris. Isn't it great that R has all these built-in data sets that you can practice on? Now let's create a variable to contain that data and only put the first 4 columns in it, so it's kind of simplified. Running k-means clustering is pretty straightforward. We're going to partition the data into 3 clusters, which matches the number of species in the data set. The k-means function returns an object which includes lots of useful data. For each data point, it includes a cluster assignment, and it also includes the coordinate location of the center of the cluster. Useful stuff. So let's examine this output by printing the result. And here we see what we were talking about. You know, to me, the cool thing about a cluster is being able to actually see it. So let's try to visualize these clusters. We'll use a scatter plot to display the clusters for at least 2 variables. The different colors represent the different clusters, and the large point in the center represents the center of the cluster. And there you have it. In approximately 3 minutes, you now know more about k-means clusters. This is a great tool to have in your data science toolkit. A lot of human interpretation of data is based on the way that we categorize things, but sometimes you can get better conclusions if you allow a computer to categorize things for you, and a clustering tool can do just that. If you found this tutorial helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any other topics that you'd like to see me do a tutorial on. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.